Good morning and welcome back, guys. As you saw the other week, with the help from my friend, I was able to move the car inside the garage. Well, that means I can start working on the bodywork now. A bit warmer and drier environment. Today, I'm gonna try and make the T-tops pretty again. Went ahead and I've removed all of the screws before, but this thing, it just won't move. Fortunately, I was able to find out that underneath the black bit, there's supposed to be some kind of a glue or silicone or something like that. So I'm just gonna have to work this out through my wife's hair dryer. Really hope she don't mind. And just I will warm this up a bit. If that won't work, I'm just gonna pop out and buy myself a proper heat gun. Really hoping I'm gonna be able to take this off without any damaging, because it's not the cheapest part. I think it's something like $300, brand new one. So yeah, that's quite a lot for a piece of strip. If I'm gonna be able to do this today, we're gonna clean all of the rust on a roof, on a T-top, and probably prime it. So yeah, let's begin then. Yeah, so I've got the drain strip completely off. It just didn't go along with my nature leaving that in and hoping for the best. So instead of that, I just took the whole bit off, and I will fabricate a new one for it, because as far as I know, you're not able to buy them anywhere. Or if you can't, just let me know. Still got time. Bit dirty here. So yeah, I've got all of the glue removed. Everything more or less is ready now. I'll use a welder to fill the gaps, the holes over here, and then I can smooth this out and obviously prime it, but that's not gonna happen until next week probably. I still need to wait for my welder to come in to arrive. For now I can do the middle section and the rear section. Yeah, so progress. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I did as much as I could. I've got a bit of a body filler on it yet again, just to fill all the smallest patches. So from there I'm just gonna sand everything down and put a primer on it. As far as you were able to see, this job, it's not very enjoyable, not for me at least. I don't like bodywork. That's why, you know, I'm giving everything away to the garage, so they can deal with it, with an exception of that. And I've got a couple of spots on a firewall that I'm gonna have to deal with, and I will do that in the next episode. So I think I'm just gonna cut this out completely and weld a new plate in. This is just so, well, maybe, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I might just patch this up. We'll see about that. Anyways, that's it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. My name is David.